lovelies. Toyota gang, yes brother. Look at that, sick. Old school Toyota crew for the win. People, it's very loud. Yeah, this is the first time you guys have ever had a proper POV driving the bad boy JZX. It's a little bit difficult because you're not meant to be seeing the JZX until after the build movie. But tonight there's a little retro car meet not far from the farm, about 20 minutes from the farm, and yeah, JZX. You guys are going to have to pretend you just haven't basically seen this. I'm not going to run through anything, and I can't actually rag it at the moment. Long story short, there's a bit of a clutch master cylinder issue. So yeah, we can only kind of drive about. But look at this, man, what an experience. All the sequential. We're just going to drive to this car meet very sedately, very slowly, and I've got a few friends that are there. And yeah, this will be kind of the first time I've ever actually taken the car out, but like I said, I don't want to go into too much detail. We're just going to drive there, look at some cars, take you guys with us. You can hear a few little Jay-Z noises, and yeah, happy days. Just going to stop at this petrol station quickly and just get some coffee in me. Fucking hell, man. Look, we got some JZX fans. Yes, brother. Yes, how you doing, lovelies? That's nice, right. It's nice with the nippers as well, when you see them and loving the cars, you know, you kind of be like, inspire them, inspire the generations, especially with all this electric nonsense. Yeah, it's great to see the kids loving the skid cars. Yes, boys. Look at these, man, retro classics. Right, I just stalled it as well. What am I doing, man? Oh yeah, van tickets as well. Massive shout out again. You guys have been buying up the tickets, which is good. Last time I said I was going to be tripling. Oh, lovely Beetle. I was going to be tripling 5 of your tickets. So yeah, I'm going to be going back to the house very quickly. Bish bash bosh. Yes, yes, you lovelies, back in the monkey den. Very nom nom, very nom nom. As promised, I was going to pick 5 of you lucky buggers to get your tickets tripled on the old Caddy van. So yeah, let's pick them now. Adam BFD 3S, you've now got 90 tickets, my friend. You had 30, you've now got 90. We've got Ewan Griffiths 509, 20 tickets, you've now got 60. Sam RS 5566, you've got 16. You've now got 16 times 3, 33, 48. You've now got 48 tickets. Right, that's 3 people. Next one, ADW2274. You've got 5 tickets, you've now got 15. And then last person, Matt Beardless, you bought 50 tickets, you've now got 150 tickets. I tripled your tickets. Happy days, well done to you lovelies, and yeah, much love. So yeah, big shout out to you guys, man, absolute legends. And then I'm going to be doing exactly the same thing again. All I'm going to do, a few more people this time. I'm going to be tripling 10 of your tickets. Yeah, if you've watched this video and then you go and buy some tickets, chuck a comment in the comment section, tell me how many tickets you bought. Hopefully you can hear me. They're singing so loud. And yeah, I'll be tripling 10 of your tickets, at 10 people total. Big respect, pa. Dig, dig, diggers! Gotta actually behave today and not actually send it, so not a bad thing. There's no doubt John will get banned for life from this car meet, so yeah, we can't, no burnouts unfortunately, but I'm sure in future videos there'll be plenty of John action. I think this car meets somewhere down here, I think. If not, I'll have to get the fucking sat nav out. There we go. There's loads of cars over there. Alright, brother. Yes, boy. Yes, brother. We said, Healy. Very noisy. Yeah, it's a nice experience, man. Everyone's loving this JZX. You love my shit box. Is this a respectable car meet? Should I not just like bang out the beats?
Yeah, you definitely get banned.
Will I get banned?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll wait till later then. Mark's giving me sound advice here. What a fucking noisy. It is actually a Russia, from Russia, this car. From Russia with love. Check out this Viper. Look at this. What a beast. What are these V10, Marky? V10. What a lovely Viper. Out of 10?
Personally, it's a 10 for me, just because you don't see them.
Yeah, I'll give that a firm 11. See, look, there's all these very sick retro cars here, but I'm instantly drawn to this DC5, which looks a bit naughty. That's what's that, a roller in it? I do remember these though, man.
Yeah, cool little car.
Yeah.
Cool little car.
Twin cams. We like twin cams. XR4i as well we're missing, Marky. Very nice. Mark 2?
Wouldn't know.
Mark 1. Mark 1, Mark 2. Come on, let's get around before it gets too dark. Very nom. Very low. Is it on bags? Fair play. Bags isn't my thing. I like normal suspension, but I appreciate it looks very tucked and very sick on these rims. That smells good. VTEC. Scooby. Man's brought a tank to the fucking car show. We've got some lovely little caterums. That chap, when I arrived, he actually works for Caterham. Nah, you remember Mark?
Oh yeah.
You know other Mark?
Yeah.
Caterham once lent me a couple of cars.
That was a mistake on their part.
Yeah, literally, they never lent them to me again, brother, I'll tell you. After that, one lasted 7 minutes, and the other one lasted approximately 3 hours. Made it to London, and then John Donner dug it, leaving. I think you were there, Chelsea Cruise, wasn't it? No? John Donner dug it when it was cold coming out, and the gearbox was not a gearbox. Ultima GTR.
What's next to that? Are you missing something?
Renault 5 GT Turbo. Look at this. Would you look at this?
Would you look at this?
Yeah. These things are mad. Definitely needs a bit of thermomet on there. Shameless plug. Renault 5 GT Turbo. Oof.
Really nice.
It is very clean. It's like used but clean.
Yeah.
It's nice. Scooby Gang. R33.
And then you got an El Camino next to us, and you're looking at, you know.
Is that an El Camino? All right, let's look at the El Camino just to keep the retro car guys happy. Wonder what this actually looks like on a. How good this is. That's actually not bad. Mark's just made a very good point. As it's got a bit dark, only the light cars are coming up on the GoPro, so we can only look at light cars from now on, Mark.
Okay, there we go.
There's an orange one. Yeah, there's some light cars over here. Mexico. I know I'm a very big fan of Mexico, I tell you.
What, the country?
Nice rims on this. Very spandangly. Ooh.
Carburetor supercharger for you this
Naughty.
time.
Yeah, this is cool.
But that's quite fun, isn't it?
Astra. We like Astra. Definitely does some track. It's very track inspired. Look at it. It's got a cage in it. Yeah, sick. Poly windows. This is sick, man.
Yeah, that's quite fun.
Yeah.
You like a van? Perfect.
I love a van.
You do love a van?
Yes, John loves a van.
John loves a van.
This is an Anglia. My old D used to have an Anglia. Oh my god. He's literally got the best engine ever made in it. What a lad. VTEC, baby.
That goes well.
Yeah. Better rips. That is sick. It's not every day a tank drives fast. is getting quite dark.
1 day later.
Got rinsed by that bike. Like one of you mentioned in the comments in the last video, like how much horsepower do you actually lose? It's kind of hard to say when it's really hot. Obviously a turbo car is a lot more susceptible to sort of high intake temps than a regularly naturally aspirated, but either way you're going to lose power with hotter intake temps. I'm sure if you go on the internet you can probably find like some dyno comparisons between intake temps. Right, I'm probably going to cut this vlog here. The next video is going to be the big one. We've got the JZX movie releasing. I'm probably going to try and release it this Friday coming. If not, it'll be the following Monday, depending on how much I've just got to finish off on it. So yeah, that's going to be a super sick video to get your teeth into. Big respect to all you guys watching. Make sure you grab some Caddy tickets. We're slowly getting through them. I think there's about 2/3 left now, so we've sold a third already. So yeah, big shout out to everyone that's been grabbing them. Remember to do a buy after you've seen this video. Chuck how many tickets you've bought in the comment section, and I'll be picking 10 of you to triple your tickets. Yeah, lots of noms coming up for you lovelies. Love you guys very much. See you in the JZX movie. Much love.